Number 1. 1973 International Truck, $3,500, Yakima, Washington. This 1973 International truck features a 392 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It starts and drives well for city use, though it is not freeway ready due to a likely issue with the steering box. Recent updates include new brakes, alternator, and distributor. With a clean title and 97,423 miles, it offers strong potential as a utility or project vehicle. Number 2. 1970 Ford F250, $8,500, Sun Valley, Nevada. This vintage 1970 Ford F250 4x4 is powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission. Though it has been sitting for years, it runs and is in solid condition. The gas tanks will need to be drained due to old fuel. A tough, classic work truck for off-road or farm use. Number 3. 1973 Ford F250 Ranger Green 2 LED, $4,500, Port Angeles, Washington. With a freshly rebuilt 4.9-liter 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, this 1973 Ford F250 Ranger offers solid performance once warmed up. It includes an 8-foot bed, dual tanks, and a clean title. The odometer shows 15,450 miles but has rolled over, a reliable two-wheel drive classic in fair condition. Number 4. 1971 Chevrolet 3/4 ton, $4,200, Deer Park, Washington. This 1971 Chevrolet Custom 20 features a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. The truck is rear-wheel drive and includes power steering, working brakes, and minimal rust. It retains its original wooden bed and is an excellent candidate for restoration or work use. Number 5. 1970 Chevrolet C30 flatbed dump, $3,200, Deer Park, Washington. Equipped with a 350 V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, this 1970 Chevrolet C30 flatbed dump truck is functional and reliable. It includes a recently replaced 12-foot wooden bed and good brakes. Though it carries a salvage title, it runs excellently and is ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $3,200, Placerville, California. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 Silverado is a factory 4x4 square-body pickup that hasn't run in 5 years. It includes original trim, triple gas tanks, and a tow package. Though the V8 engine is non-running, the truck is complete and has a clean title, perfect for restoration enthusiasts. Number 7. 1977 Ford F250 4-body short bed, $8,000, Arlington, Washington. This rugged 1977 Ford F250 custom 4x features a durable 300 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, a 4-speed manual transmission with granny low, and dual fuel tanks. It includes upgraded components such as a Holley carburetor, Offenhauser manifold, and Warn locking hubs. Strong running condition with minimal needs. Number 8. 1972 Chevrolet C20, $8,500, Huntington Park, California. This 1972 Chevrolet C20 3/4-ton pickup belonged to the seller's grandfather. It runs well and had its transmission rebuilt in 2021. With 994,000 miles, a clean title, and solid mechanical reliability, it is a dependable vintage work truck with plenty of character. Number 9. 1978 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Big 10, $8,990, Vancouver, Washington. A heavy half-ton long bed model, this 1978 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Big 10 comes mostly stock with its original manual jack and trim. The 350 V8 engine and TH350 automatic transmission operate decently, and the body shows only minor rust. A solid drivable classic with a clean title. Number 10. 1974 Chevrolet truck, $8,200, Buena Vista, Colorado. Though badged as a Custom 30, this is a 1974 half-ton 4WD Chevrolet pickup, powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. It runs and drives great, with an odometer reading 75,000 miles. Previously a city service truck, it includes numerous new parts and a clean title. Start number 11. 1966 Ford F250 Camper Special, $9,500, Oak Harbor, Washington. This 1966 Ford F250 Camper Special features a 352 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It runs and drives well with new tires and exhaust. While listed in fair condition, it offers solid performance and classic appeal with 86,000 miles and a clean title. Number 12. 1968 Ford F250 Ranger Camper, $5,000, Reno, Nevada. An original owner 1968 Ford F250 Ranger Camper with 100,450 miles and a clean title. It includes factory additions like a transmission and engine oil cooler. Though it has been sitting for years, it remains largely untouched and needs only light mechanical attention to be road ready again. Number 13. 1967 Chevrolet GMC C10, $5,000, Auburn, Washington. This 1967 GMC C10 is in good condition and runs and drives great. It has a clean title and no rust, with solid cab corners, rockers, and door bottoms. With 117,000 miles, it is an excellent base for restoration or daily vintage driving.